entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto. Welcome to the Chakaverse. He all speaking Chaka facts, I'm out speaking Chaka words. We all making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Chaka Crypto and this is the Chakaverse. And today I'm going to be talking about the NVIDIA Broadcast. I've had a few people ask me how I get my my green screen, my background, how I get it to play videos. So I just want to do this quick video to show how I do it. So the app I'm using is NVIDIA Broadcast. And there's a bunch of different options for the NVIDIA Broadcast. I've done a previous video on this just to show about, I think there was an eye tracking AI that this uses. That's what caught my interest, but now I'm using it for the background. There's a bunch of speaker options, microphone options that you can also like background removal. But today I'm going to talk about just the green screen, the background that I have. So a bunch of different options for your background. These are the options right here. So you have background blur, background removal, auto frame, video noise removal, eye contact beta. That's the one that locks in your eyes to the camera. Let's see, and then remove the effects. But so for the background replacement, it's really simple, but I just found out recently that you can play videos. That's how I'm using the videos. I'll show you. All you do is just any video you want to use as a background, just click on it and it go. This one's 5 minutes long. It's a 6-minute loop. That's an ample amount of time for a background to be playing. You know, people won't notice that it's looping after 5 minutes. But a couple other ones I like using this one on my streams. And these backgrounds right here I made with Canva. I just went to Canva, put some videos together, and I'm using it as backgrounds. But you can use anything, whatever you're streaming for, family photos, family videos, just a couple of different ones I'll just show you. But it's really simple to use, and I like it a lot. So this is going to be my go-to. And the thing I like about it is that with StreamYard, the option where you can pick your camera, you can just pick NVIDIA Broadcast. It comes up as an option as a camera, and then that's how you use the background on StreamYard. Really simple. You can do a lot of stuff with these. It just kind of makes your stream a little bit different. You don't see a lot of YouTubers using an animated or, you know, a video for a background. It's usually just a set picture like this right here, like this desk. You know, it's just a set picture, which is cool. They look really great, but this is just something different. If you're looking to change your channel up a little bit, it's just another option. So it's NVIDIA Broadcast. I'll go ahead and leave all the links down in the description if you want to check it out. It's really easy to set up and really easy to use. So maybe it's something you can use for your stream. But that's all I got for you today. Check it out if you like. I'm Chaka Crypto, and I'll see you guys in the metaverse. Peace.
Chaka Crypto. You're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto. Welcome to the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto. You're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto. Welcome to the Chakaverse. He all speaking Chaka facts, I'm out speaking Chaka words. We all making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.